Oke paw nyisruok ma jopur malichota nyako Ramogi wadhi nyime kama oyudo ni twak ewi keto chenro matayo ng'ado osuru ochako ayanga mbele komiti mar bura mar omenda. Riwruok mar The Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Kenya gin moko kuom jokanyo mochopo chiwo pachgi ewi wachno. Gidwaro mondo mi piny owacho mamalo kod mago ma counties mondo rit osuru ming'ado jopiny ka gidino rode mag mibadhi.
And tax bases, Chair, one of the easiest examples is what we had in the 2023 Finance Act. Like where you change tax, suddenly that certain taxes will be paid every 5 days. It sounds a little out of this world, Chair.
This committee is very keen on making sure that we have a stable and predictable tax environment. Soon after this, towards the end of the year, as we promised, we're going to have post-Finance Act seminar before we start thinking about the next finance bill and look at the tax proposals that we passed. What is the actual impact? Do they achieve what they're supposed to achieve? Do they lead to more revenue or less revenue? So that now, as we now, as Treasury and the others start thinking about the next finance bill, then they're informed by both this national tax policy and the feedback we would have got on the real impact of the tax decisions that we made in the Finance Act.
But if you ask employees today, say, why should you read my payslip that I'm earning 300,000 and in real sense I will be earning 200,000? You know, so predictable tax regimes is excellent.
Romo mar jalup jatend piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua kod riwruok mar governors dhi nyime e romo ewi twak mar